Okay na.
Okay, and we have another contender who's actually very famous and very glad that she came today. Janina, thank you so much for coming. Kumusta yung audition sa loob kanina? Nakabaka ulit. See?
Close yung place at American Idol talaga yung set up.
Okay. So, what is the difference itong sasalihan mo ngayon? I mentioned you were first runner-up sa J-pop, right? This time, I think you will be competing with the champion.
And I think this one is about dancing.
So, ano yung mas ipapromise na you haven't done before? Kasi some competition.
This one, I will do my best. Talagang rigid living so I don't take it seriously. So that, I can sit to anyone
Kaya.
kaya pa.
Abangan po natin si Janina. Let's see her journey sa mga coming weeks sa ating elevation and grand final. So, Janina, thank you so much. Good luck. Okay.
Let's not pretend to care. One night only, come on me baby, come on. One night only, let's not pretend to care.
Remember my name.